Hey everybody, Ed here. Pro you need to know. Showing you this 1976 Corvette. It's just starting to run. It's running right now as we speak. It's pretty quiet. Here, she's running. Here's the interior. Hear that old school buzzer? Everything works as it should. Let me this hood's a little tricky. Had to pop the hood. But this baby's running as it sits here. It's for sale. Anybody wants to buy a car, hit me up in the comment department. 12,000 original miles. It's been off the road for many, many years. Everything seems to be good. Please hit like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless.